Hi everyone, today we're gonna make apple surprise. First we're gonna need chocolate and we're gonna melt some chocolate first. So I got this idea in my mind, so I'm gonna do it also the first time and I hope it's gonna turn out great. I want to share it right away with you. So we're gonna melt this chocolate first. In the meantime, we can prepare the banana. And now the apple, we're just gonna cut it here. Like this. And we're gonna put this in the middle out. Keep this part also. Chocolate is melting nicely. Help yourself with the spoon. And I put this part also out. So our apple is going in the middle, of course. It's gonna be like this, so that's why we keep the upper part. Let's check the chocolate now. Eccola, the chocolate is melted. I added just a bit of milk. And now I think you know where it's coming. We're gonna put this melted chocolate in our apple. This is gonna be amazing. So let's put all the chocolate in the apple. I was thinking maybe on top I'm gonna put this walnut. You can also put some walnuts around the plate. And maybe also some chocolate for decoration. Oh, it looks amazing, and I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing as well. And now we're gonna cover the apple, and we have apple surprise. In the apple. This is amazing. You have to try it. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao.